Jharkhand, the leading producer of tussar silk in India, contributing a remarkable 70% to the overall nation's production. To meet the demand, India imports tons of tussar yarn annually from China. Abhinav Silk Private Limited, an inspiring startup driven by the Make in India ideology, has stepped up to transform Jharkhand's silk industry, where tribal farmers are engaged in sericulture since ages.
इससे उनको काम का विस्तार करने का मौका भी मिल रहा है और साथ ही साथ जंगल का विस्तार भी होता जा रहा है। और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हमारी महिलाओं को घर में ही काम करने का अवसर मिल रहा है।
Committed to sustainable practices and cutting-edge technology, Abhinav Silk has set up an impressive array of 60 solar-powered reeling and twisting machines at Sikni village, Ramgarh district, the first-ever silk cluster in Jharkhand.
In Abhinav Silk, we have developed the technology and the machine to produce high-grade reeled twisted tussar yarn, which is as good as the Chinese imported yarn. We are using it in our fabric.
Market tested through TriFed, Central Cottage Industries Emporium, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Chota Nagpur Regional Handloom Weavers Cooperative Union. Abhinav Silk has developed superior quality tussar yarn, and by selling more than rupees 100 lakhs of silk fabric, Abhinav Silk has yielded remarkable results.
This will create livelihood opportunities in the rural areas, and it will support the whole value chain of the tussar silk, and at the same time we will save the foreign exchange.
Efforts of Abhinav Silk aims to empower domestic production and position Jharkhand as a powerhouse in the global silk industry. Abhinav Silk Private Limited, making a difference, creating opportunities.